Transform your kitchen with kitchen islands. A kitchen renovation is something that a lot of homeowners undertake in order to totally revamp the look and efficiency of one of the most used rooms in a home. When drawing up plans for a revamp, a lot of people would like to add an island to the kitchen. An island is a unit that is separate to the rest and is typically situated in the middle of the floor. For that reason, kitchen islands are best suited for larger spaces where there is a lot of available floor space. In this article, we will take an in-depth look at how a kitchen island can improve the appearance and functionality of your home. How to choose. The range of kitchen islands has grown significantly in the past few years, and more companies than ever before are offering this option with their kitchen renovation packages. When the time comes to choose one, you can incorporate many different features such as a sink, or cooking appliances. You can also have it as just an extra large countertop space for preparing food. The extra storage space provides is an excellent way to store fresh food, and you can even have chilled compartments to keep your cooking ingredients extra fresh. The design and installation. Installing a kitchen island is best left to a team of professionals, unless you have the necessary construction skills. If not, then the job should be left to those people that know what they are doing when it comes to kitchen renovation. For those people that want a little bit more out of their space, it is possible to have a mobile kitchen island installed. These are a great idea if your home has easy access to and outside space such as a patio, courtyard or garden, and they can be a great way to entertain guests outside during the warmer months.